Do you want your artworks to look like this? Well, say less because this video is the first of a three-part series where I teach you how I render in each of my three different art styles. Hello everyone, this is Ashley and let's get on to the video. In my art styles, everything starts with a sketch. I don't do line art but you can if you want. Then I start to fill in the base colors of the character. I put blush on already to make it easier for myself to render later on. After the base colors, we then move on to the shadows. We do this by adding a multiply layer and setting its opacity to however we want the contrast between our light and our shadows to be. The color of the shadow will largely depend on the environment the character is in. In this case, the character is inside a dimly lit lab, so I chose blue. And because the room is dimly lit, the shadows will take up more space than the light. I airbrush one big gradient shadow on the character before placing in the hard shadows because I find it easier to sharpen soft shadows instead of blurring hard shadows. The next thing we need to do is to make another multiply layer above the existing shadow layer where the soft shadows and the hard shadows are, and add the darkest shadows on the parts where light has trouble reaching. Now is the part where we clean up our work if you didn't use line art like me. Merge all the layers together into one layer. Then add a new layer and start cleaning up all the messy lines using the color picker. I personally like to leave the unimportant parts like the body below the scarf as just plain color to emphasize the face. For the hair, I color pick the darkest shadow and place it where the light hits using a hard brush. Then blend the underside of the stroke to make another gradient from shadow to light. For the finishing touches, make an overlay layer and add in a dirty overlay image on the parts you don't want emphasized. Then, by pressing the screen tone mode and using .L12 on a new layer, make a gradient on the shadowy parts of the character. Merge everything into one layer and go to Effects. Find the Emboss effect and put the light source matching your character and set it to overlay with a layer opacity of 12%. Add another layer and fill it with noise. Set it to overlay using 12% layer opacity and done. Congratulations! Now you have my hybrid style of drawing. If you want more videos like this, then please like, subscribe, and comment what you think. That would be all. Bye! Subscribe!